dude.
Oh my God. Beautiful. Okay guys, here we are in the Flamingo Road. See if we can find our reds, the elusive reds, and maybe some snooks. It's gonna be a good trip. We're gonna go in through the backcountry.
Yep.
We're gonna do the full loop. We're gonna go all the way around, come out through Shark River, and then head south, and then come around East Cape, and back to the outside ramp, and fish the whole way. That should be around 70-mile loop, right?
Should be around a 50 to 70 mile loop, depending on what we do as far as fishing wise.
Wow. Long ride. It's going to be a good day though. All right guys, stick around. You're going to join us the whole way. All right, we're finally here in Flamingo. We are on our way to Coop Bay. Mosquitoes were really bad. I didn't have time to do any kind of filming at the ramp because we were like being attacked in a big way. All right. What's this? Yep, let's go. Let's go. On our way to Coop Bay. Fucking first spot. What do you think of that? My God, we just got here to the first spot and I hooked a Goliath and but if there's anybody here, see that tree is high and dry. He's gonna be right around there. This is a perfect spot. Okay, here's our next fishing spot. Another little waterway. What do you predict, Darian?
Snook or a red coming off.
Oh, beautiful. Lovely.
Lovely. I love it.
First cast. I think somebody's on you already. That's a baby snook. Bring it in, bring it in. Is that a baby snook?
Yeah.
Nice. Look at that little snook. Isn't that beautiful?
Love it.
Well done, son. Look at that on a spoon. Gold spoon. Beautiful job right here on this point. Nice job. He's ready? He doesn't want to let go of your thumb.
Oh, I don't want him to let go though.
He doesn't want to let go. He's like, I want to eat that thumb. He's good. Nice job. Nice job. Look at all this. Wow. This is Middle Cape, and then we're going to head to East Cape. We're going to walk this shoreline for a little bit and fish it. It might be a snook patrolling the edge of the shoreline. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Pretty deep water too. Nice drop off. What do we have over here? Like 3-4 feet behind the boat?
Behind the boat? No, it drops all the way to 6 feet.
Wow, look at that. 6 feet. Nice drop off. Beautiful. What do you think of your Maverick, son?
I love it.
Isn't it beautiful?
It's a dream boat.
Yes, it is.
My dream boat.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, he doesn't want to come up. Oh my God. Dude. You think it's a big snook?
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but you gotta fight it.
Yeah, he's a fighter.
Could be a big red or a drum.
He's coming up. Oh! Another one. Another monster.
Revenge, baby.
Look at this bad boy. Isn't he beautiful? Look at that. Look at that. And look at the bait. Get the bait.
Yes,
Beautiful.
baby.
Yes.
The gulps, baby. I told you.
Yes.
Gulps are the shit.
Yes. Look at that. Oh my goodness. What do you think of that, my son? Look at that. Isn't he
Fucking love it,
gorgeous?
bro.
Look at that. Beautiful Goliath grouper. All right, here we go. Yeah, he's powerful, man. What power they
You got
have.
your revenge, bro. You got your revenge.
Yeah, nice job.